SHAPE-8 high density polyethylene again, 1/4 inch. A lot going on here. I'm going to start by looking at this curve and trying to figure out its radius. I draw a straight line up and a straight line off in isometric. Following those points, I'm getting a radius of 1, 2, 3, 4 for that curve. A depth of 1, 2, 3, 4. The whole object, there's a 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks like 9 to me if I counted right. Hopefully that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tall. And then if I draw a line here and here, I can see my radius is 2. 1, 2 for a radius. Okay, a lot going on here. Also, this guy looks like it's 1. The center point is 1, 2 from the top. It looks like 2 from the left-hand side there. All right, let's play around with this a little bit, see what we get. So 9 by 6 by 5. I'm going to start with a big giant block. New, design, sketch, green and red, block, drop it, check. 9 across, 5 tall. Don't mess up the depth there. This is 5. 20 tall. 9, 25. Finish. Extrude. And that was the 6. Minus 6.2. Not 25 times 25. All right. I can start putting those curves in there, but it's a little tricky. Let's do this backside one first. I'm going to do a sketch, but I need to rotate this guy around and put it right there. I'm going to do a circle. My center point here and my radius. Let's check what that radius was again. There's my center point. My radius was 4. So that's asking for diameter. In this case, that would be 8 times 0.25. Correct. No, it does not. We want off the bottom. Maybe 2. Yeah, I think that's right. I finished my sketch. I'm going to extrude my circle that direction. How deep was it? We said 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go back to fusion. Minus 4 times 0.25. Back home, look at that guy. Yeah, that does look right. Look at that. Perfect. Sketch, top face, circle. If I cheat right there, that triangle tells me I'm in the middle, and that's where I want to be. And I know that that radius was 4, so it's going to be, I'm sorry, it's 2. My diameter is 4. 4 times 0.25. I'm going to go to home view if that looks right, and it does. Let's go back to my sample. It goes all the way down to the bottom. So in this case, I'm going to finish, extrude that guy all the way down, distance, all. All right, that's good. Last one, sketch on the front, circle, forgot to dimension it. It's 1 block across. I think we said it is 2 from the top, 0.5, 2 from that edge, 5, finish, extrude, distance, all. All right, looking good. I think that was high density polyethylene. Right click, physical, This closed metal, plastic, polyethylene, plastic, where is it? High density, drop it, close it, select it, right click, properties, and new, copy. And this is SHAPE-8.